Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can complete the KATSEYE quest in Dress to Impress. So this is part 3. I'll be showing you guys the final steps for it and where you can find the reward for this quest. Once you've completed everything, you basically just need to do a couple of easy rounds. This is just to move your phone around to the circles to just get more likes. Honestly, it doesn't really give you anything, but you do have to do it, I think, for the sake of the quest. You'll see the group score down there. I think I was second, if I'm not mistaken. But you're just going to move your phone around when the circle almost turns from transparent to white. This one's super easy. And then you're just going to start the show and just watch the concert, have fun, dance, whatever you want to do. You don't have to do anything at this point. You just need to wait for the concert to be over. And you are just going to go to your dressing rooms once the concert is over, and you will find your rewards, which is this outfit set. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!